So I think I'll still be using Muller for some time. I think it can do things quite fast, and I don't really need to. I feel I don't really need to fight the computer when I use it, so it just seems really natural in terms of modeling. So I think this is it's just faster compared to a lot of other stuff. So I think I'm still going to be using Muller quite a bit for some projects. So stuff like this, simple 7D modeling, character models, I mean cartoon character models, really cool. LightWave CAD, very neat, and meta mesh from Third Powers. It just flows very well compared to Blender, but I'm going to test Blender quite a bit more, and then I'll get back to it, I guess. But it just seems for me that Blender isn't really their solution for absolutely everything. But Hardups and is really cool, and also technical models can be neat, and a bunch of other plugins, of course. But still, I think I'm going to be using Modeler for some time, unless I get this, what's it called, this wake-up call, where I understand that Blender is just best at everything, but I kind of doubt it. That said, I mean, Blender is moving forward, so they're going to catch up for sure. So I'm just saying that I'm not sure if I'm going to use Blender for all modeling aspects. I can't really quite see that as of now. So anyway, just a trick on how to make this shape, and rather this shape here. That's what I want to show you. And actually there's another way to go about it, and that is taking these guys here and you chamfer just lightly, and you take this one and these guys here and just drag that out. That's another way to go about it. Let's see. Okay, I think, yeah, my mistake there. Oh, I forgot something earlier on. So that's not LightWave's fault, it's my fault. I'm just doing silly things. Yeah, so just wanted to show you that trick really, and tell you that maybe the LightWave modeler still got some mileage. I kind of think it does. I don't know what that is.